Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to learn Section 3 Clause U and Section 3 Clause 1 Subclause U and also ZB because these are all amendments. Right. You all know Section 3 deals with if anybody is actually put to shame in the name of his caste by uttering words within public view, in a place within public view, it comes under Section 3, Clause 1 of the SEC.3 Prevention of Atrocities Act. You should not name any and call any person by the name of his caste, particularly the SCs. So Section 3(1)(u) will be attracted only if it is committed, please remember, against a group of members, against the community members as a group. This is what is stated by Madras High Court, Justice D. Bharat Chakravarti. Right. In the case of Dr. R.Radha krishnan versus Assistant Commissioner of Police and another, in criminal revision petition number 1165 by 2022. Right. So the petitioner is not an ordinary man, but he belongs to SC. Right. Dr. Radha krishnan is a professor in a university. He filed a petition against Dr. Rita John, who is the head of the department, alleging that allegations were leveled against him and he was given a charge memo basing on the complaints of the students only because he is a Dalit. Only because he is Dalit. So the head of the department is making the group of Dalit professors as a target and they wanted to take disciplinary action against the scheduled caste people. This is the allegation, right? Why this has happened? Because Dr. Rita John, she has sent a report to the university authorities as well as she has given a memo to Dr. Radha krishnan or Radha krishnan, alleging that or with the contents that he is showing partisan attitude particularly toward males and he is actually harassing the women students. An incident was also stated. Some girl students as well as some male students, they were absent to the class and at the time he was writing something on the board. He made them wait up to 20 or 25 minutes. Then he allowed the males inside and in the meantime he has written something nonsense against the women and he asked them to read the same aloud. Actually they are castigating remarks against women. Definitely this caused ire on the students and they have reported the matter to the head of the department. As head of the department, she has given him a memo and she has brought it to the notice of the higher authorities by sending a report against him. Anchored by this, since he was given a charge memo and since he was under the impression because he is a Dalit or SC, the case was, the disciplinary action was about to be taken against him. Therefore, he wanted to file a private case. Now the real story starts. He has filed a private complaint in the Court of Special Judge for SC/ST cases, 1989 Act cases. And the magistrate, actually normally what they do is, if the contents disclose any cognizable offence, if the contents do disclose the offence under SC/ST Act, definitely they will forward the same to the police under Section 156 Clause 3 CRPC with the direction that they have to report the matter, they have to investigate and report the matter, that's all. But what happened is, the trial court on perusing the statement furnished by, or the private case furnished by Dr. Radha krishnan, first of all remarked that there is no affidavit. Okay, he filed the affidavit and then it was taken on file. Actually it was not numbered on affidavit only, it was numbered. Later the judge, instead of forwarding it to the police, he wanted to conduct the inquiry, that is under Section 202 to 203 CRPC. So therefore, he started examining. Mr. Radha krishnan was also examined. His written statement or his evidence was recorded. Then it was remarked that there was no case, therefore they can't do anything. So aggrieved by this, now he came before the Honorable High Court of Madras. High Court of Madras also, please remember. So here the main contention on the part of Radhakrishnan is the university did not take any action as the allegations are bona fide. Allegations are put on the head HOD who belongs to other than SC community. So please remember, suppose if the complaint is forwarded, normally they have to send it to the police. But the court says the offence under section 3(1)(u) is made against a group of SC people. He is the only person. How can he become a group? He is alleging that since other members are there, these people wanted to target us. But was it done? No. So 3(1)(u). And secondly, he also stated that actually he alleged that the professor Rita John, she told him that this man Radhakrishnan is having supernatural powers. No maaku chetabadi chestavu. This is what she has told him. So this is ZB, witchcraft. ZB 3(1) ZB is witchcraft. So ultimately, Honorable High Court of Madras also agreed with the findings of the trial court. They said no offence under section 3(1)(u) or no offence under section 3(1) ZB are made out. But still, the court would have taken it to a logical conclusion. That means before giving the number itself, they remarked that the affidavit is not there. How can this petition be amendable and all these things? Is it necessary? You have to take it on file, you have to measure, you have to decide whether there is material on it or not. If there is material, you can take yourself for the trial or you can endorse to the police. But without doing this, the file has been running between Radhakrishnan and the court, and therefore he has agreed, and then only he has come before the Honorable High Court of Madras. So here the Justice Bharat Chakravarti stated that the trial judge is 100% correct in saying that there is no offence is made out. But he has unnecessarily dragged the matter into controversy. So the allegation by Dr. Rita that he has supernatural powers. Okay, that's already ready. So anyway, ultimately the matter is remanded back to the trial court to decide on the merits. Okay, so good judgment. In this case, what you have to learn is that please remember, the allegations of SC/ST against a group should be specifically mentioned, and this should be within a place which is within public view. Otherwise, no case under SC/ST Act will be made out. Okay, thank you.